Today we are going to learn 12 fun facts about dogs. Let's start. Dogs are the most popular pet on the planet. Dogs are so loyal and friendly. Owning a dog is a big responsibility. Your dog can smell 40 times better than you can. All puppies are unable to hear when they are born. Your dog doesn't see color the same way you do. Yawning is contiguous for dog too. Many dogs are able to learn 100 words and gestures. Your dog will dream just like you do. Dogs are very clever. Dogs are very fast runners. The average lifespan for a dog is around 10 to 14 years. Okay kids, hope so you like it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.